Okay, so what I'd like you to do here is just pause the video and find the area of that triangle in square centimeters first. Do that, and then we'll go about finding the area in square inches. So go ahead and figure that out right now real quickly. Shouldn't take you very long. Okay, so that should be pretty easy. Just area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2. And then rather than converting each of those to inches, we're just going to use the conversion from square centimeters to square inches. So what I want you to do is pause the video, draw a square, and label it either 1 inch by 1 inch or 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Okay, one of those, doesn't matter. And then label the other sides in the other dimension. So for example, this is what I'm talking about. There's a 1 inch square. Label this side in terms of centimeters and this side in terms of centimeters, and then figure out the area in square centimeters. Okay, and that'll be your conversion factor. So go ahead and do that now. Figure what the conversion is, and then use that to find the area of the triangle in square inches. Okay, so you should have got that the conversion is 1 square inch is the same as 6.45 square centimeters. So we can use that with our answer here to convert it to square inches. And you get your answer of 216 square inches for 1,394 square centimeters. So there you go. So again, just using uh, the conversion between square centimeters and square inches, do it that way rather than converting each of the dimensions. That'll become a lot more useful for the next problem where we're going to be doing cubic units. We're working with volume. So have a look at this problem. So here we have a rectangular prism. The volume is just length times width times height. But rather than converting all three of those dimensions to inches, figure out what the conversion factor is from cubic millimeters to cubic inches and use that to convert your answer to cubic inches. I'll let you pause the video here, give you a few seconds to come up with an answer, and we'll go through it in just 2 seconds here. Okay, so prior to finding out the volume in cubic millimeters, I first of all figured out what the conversion was between cubic inches and cubic millimeters, and it's 16.39 cubic millimeters per cubic inch. So now all I have to do is figure out um, the volume in cubic millimeters and then use that conversion factor. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the volume is 8,000 cubic millimeters, and then if you convert that to cubic inches using the conversion factor on the right there, you get the answer 488 cubic inches. So nothing really terribly dramatically new, just extending what we talked about a little bit already. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little journal question on Edmodo for you as well. You should see it already if you haven't seen it yet. And just go ahead and answer that, and you are good for today. I'll see you all tomorrow, Tuesday.